Okay, I just finished my first video lecture, and I know that is, it was tough. I can try my best to explain as much detail as I can, but still, usually it's kind of more difficult to follow the lecture note without looking at your expressions and your questions. Um, Still, I hope that you have enjoyed my lectures. And if you have any question, please send me an email or leave your comments, or just come to my virtual office hours, which will be given tomorrow. Then we can discuss more. And uh, yeah, and I hope that the future lectures would be better and would be more improved. I can promise. Thank you so much for your time, and have a nice day. Thank you.